Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall talk about a topic that how you can create a digital agency website using ChatGPT 5. Friend, first of all, ChatGPT 5 is now available in market and it's a very robust, very fast and very good software nowadays available. So you must have to use this software. So today, friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is the capability of ChatGPT 5. Now it's much better now. So how we can create a website using ChatGPT 5. So if you are new to ChatGPT 5, what you can do, you just have to go to Google and just type the ChatGPT. Okay, and this link will open in front of you. You just have to click on that link, and here you can reach to this website. Here now, notice one thing that you must, if you are new, you have to first log in into to ChatGPT. Once you log in into the ChatGPT, friend, so what you can do, you just have to type a prompt that you need a website. So for each purpose, I have already written this prompt for you, that create a modern, fully responsive digital agency website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. It should include the sections like the heading, subheading, also about a section, services, banner, testimonial, contact us, and it should be responsive to mobile, tablet, and desktop. Also, minor effects to the website using amazing premium themes, colors, animations, transition, shapes, and effects, and background layout. Here, friend, notice one thing, that you have to just give this prompt to the chat GPT. I'm just writing this prompt here, and we will click on this button. So I have just given this prompt. Now you will notice that it's working, like it's thinking about the prompt I have given it to you, given it to the chat GPT, and now you will notice that it start writing the code. Here, friend, first of all, you will notice that it's writing the code in a very professional way, like it look like a very professional coder who is basically writing the code. Because if you see the way of writing the code, like indentation, the colors, the way of writing is very professional. It include all the things like HTML, CSS, Java, Bootstrap, all the things it is writing for you. So like for you, if you are a website developer, so it's a very easier way to you to just give a prompt, and it will create the website for you. So right now it will take some time to write the code, so we have to wait for some moments. After that, once the coding done, so we will I will show you that how it looks like. Okay, friend. So now the code has all been written now, and the options which we have available, we can copy the code, we can add it, we can download, and also we can run the code. This is a very good option available. Like run the code means that it will be running from the chat GPT. Okay, so once you can run it, it will ask you the permissions and you can run it directly from here. However, there is another option available for download. So I will prefer the code to be downloaded on my local machine, and then I want to run it. So what I will do, I will just click on the download button, and this code will be downloaded on my local machine. Okay, so after downloading the code, I will run it from my local machine. So I will go to my machine here, and also, friend, the code has been downloaded, and I'm running this website from my local machine. This is the website, how it looked like. First of all, the look and feel of the website is very great. Like for example, the about us section, the services, testimonial, contact us, get proposal. So first of all, look and feel is very amazing. The background is very amazing, and this is the website which it has created. Then this is the section. After that, full stack digital from idea to import, like brand identity, web experience, product apps, growth, and content. Friend, first of all, I must say that the quality of the work is great, amazing. However, few of the things maybe that you may notice that this is the banner, and this is the testimonial, and this is the section for contact us. Like here you can write your name, email address, and send a message. So here are friend few things that you may think that you may need to improve. For example, maybe you notice that the color of the font, like for example you want to change it, for example you want to change the images. So there are two options are available. First, you can do like you can change the prompt. This is the prompt which is already available. I will also make available this prompt in the description of the video as well, so you can also use this prompt to generate the website. Also, if you require the source code of the website, I can share it. You can comment on my website and I can share you the source code of the website as well. So one option is available, like you can change the prompt, like whatever the changes you want in the website, you can also change it from here. And second option is that you can just I have already installed the visual code like this. A Visual Studio Code I have already available. So what I can do, I'm just opening the Visual Studio Code, and in the Visual Studio Code I will open the the file in my Visual Studio Code. Like I will open the file from here. Okay. Simply, I will open the file in my Visual Studio Code, and I will edit the file. Whatever the changes I will want to change it, I will simply change it as it is. Like for example, you want to change the images, you want to change these style. So it is very easy, friend. I just want to say that nowadays it's very easy to make a website using the Chat GPT 5, and it will help you a lot in your career. It will help you a lot. And if you use the Chat GPT 5, I'm sure, friend, that it will add a value in your work, whatever you are doing. Either you are a website developer, either you are a like front end developer. So I must say that if you are using the Chat GPT 5 or AI things, it's adding a value in your career. It's not a hurdle, it's not a problem in your career, rather it's a helping thing. It will help you a lot in your career. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. It's just a small effort to show you that how nowadays AI is helping a lot for the developers, for the software developers, and we must have to use these types of tools to grow in our career. Thank you.